Welcome to QLTS School's video series on the SQE1 Assessment. Today we will look at a sample multiple choice question on criminal law. A man is at his local pub drinking one evening and becomes irritated by another customer who is being quite rude and has pushed in front of other people to be served at the bar. The man confronts him on a few occasions, and the other customer tells him to mind his own business. The other customer becomes increasingly abusive the more he drinks and starts shouting quite loudly. The man again approaches him and tells him to calm down or leave, but the other customer continues shouting. At this point, the pub is very busy. The man gets increasingly angry, and when the other customer starts taunting him, he goes to punch him. The other customer ducks out of the way of his punch, resulting in the man's punch landing on the person stood behind. The person's nose is broken by the punch, while the other customer suffers no injuries. Does the man have a defence to the charge of assault occasioning actual bodily harm? A. Yes, he can argue that the charge is wrong and the correct charge is battery. B. Yes, he can argue self-defence because the person he was going to hit was being abusive to others. C. Yes, he can argue that the mens rea of the offence has not been met since he did not intend to hit that person or to break his nose. D. No, because the offence does not require any intention, the act is sufficient in itself. E. No, because he did intend to hit someone, even though the person he hit was the wrong one. The best answer is E. Assault occasioning actual bodily harm requires either intention or recklessness in relation to the activities undertaken by the defendant. Although he did not intend to punch that particular person, he did intend to punch someone, and he knew that the pub was busy and there were other people in the vicinity. Answer A is not correct, since the charge is correct. A broken nose would be covered by Section 47, Offences Against the Person Act 1861, and the offence of battery is not the correct charge. Answer B is not correct, since self-defence does not apply here, since he did not think he was protecting himself or others, even if the man was being rude and loud. Answer C is not right, since the mens rea is met, since he intentionally or recklessly performed the relevant act. It does not matter that he did not intend to break the person's nose. Answer D is wrong, since performing the act is not sufficient on its own and intention is required.